Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Guide. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. So 24th of January 2025, current affairs we are going to cover today in this session. So I am going to keep the session short, so as quick as possible we'll be able to cover all the news. News number one is going to be Skydo received Reserve Bank of India approval to operate as a payment aggregator in the cross-border entity. It is important. Why? Till now, very few number of companies were there in the payment aggregator category. If you remember that how many companies were there till now who got the approval in the payment aggregator cross-border payment category, do write in the chat box immediately. Otherwise, I will give you the complete idea regarding this, that which number of companies Skydo is going to become in the payment aggregator cross-border category and what is the meaning of it. Second news is regarding Tata AIG, which is a general insurance company in India. This company have recently launched a comprehensive cyber insurance solution for the businesses, Indian businesses. So a type of cyber security insurance have been launched by Tata AIG recently. This is one news from Tata. One more news from the Tata Life Insurance, Tata AIA Life Insurance. Tata AIA Life Insurance launched Shubh Muhurt to meet the wedding expenditure. So one insurance policy to manage the expenditures of your kids, not for you. If you will buy now, your kids will marriage will be getting covered with the support of this particular insurance policy. Name of the policy is Shubh Muhurt. This policy have been launched by Tata AIA. So I'll give you the complete idea about this also. IDFC First Bank partnered with RuPay to launch First Earn RuPay credit card facility. How this credit card is different from other and what are the recent credit card launched by IDFC First Bank. Full details I am going to give you. Apart from that, we have few more news regarding national international news. So that also we are going to cover today in the session, guys. Welcome to Guide. This is Aditya and do cover the current affairs daily. I'm not live today actually, but I have recorded the session yesterday late night, so you will be able to cover the current affairs of today properly. PDF will be available in this Telegram group, so you can download it. Karnataka Bank PO interview batch is live on the Guidely platform, so you can join it. You can inform your friends, those who are struggling to prepare for the Karnataka Bank PO interview, that they can make their one-stop solution for the preparation of interview by the batch of Aditya sir, which is available on the Guidely platform. After that, bundle PDF course 2025 is also live. Union Bank of India LBO interview is live and IBPS PO online personalized interview batch is live. All these interview batches are available on the Guidely platform. Any bank interview or insurance sector interview you are preparing, you know that you can keep Aditya sir as one-stop solution for the preparation of your interviews. So let's move toward the homework questions quickly. Reserve Bank of India extended the deadline of bank and ATM operators to implement cassette swipe mechanism, that you need to change the normal cassettes with the lockable cassettes by 31st March 2025. This is the new deadline which is issued by Reserve Bank of India in December 2024. Important circular of Reserve Bank of India. Right, this was the question. First question. Second, consider the correct statement about RBI set up a panel for ethical AI in the financial sector. So RBI made 8-member committee for the ethical AI. कितने member का committee RBI ने बनाया है? 8-member committee made by Reserve Bank of India for the ethical AI. 8-member committee formed by Reserve Bank of India. Full form of free AI is Framework for Responsible and Ethical Enablement of Artificial Intelligence. That is the full form of free AI. So statement number 2 is wrong. Third one is correct. It is launched for the adoption of the responsible AI in the financial sector. Who is the chairperson of the committee that is formed for the adoption of free AI? Correct answer is Dr. Pushpak Bhattacharya sir, IIT Bombay के professor है. So he is the chairperson of the committee. चलिए आंसर्स देख लेते हैं हमारे TNA हीरोज के. So Netra, after that Jeev Lakshmi, Pooja, Ajit, Roy, SK, Bhima, Isha, Durga, Sai, Divya, after that Guna, okay, Charan, Sridhar, Priyanka, Sarita ji, Sabha, Simran, Harsha. Thank you guys, thank you for answers. Padma, Shri, Koki, Amit, Pallavi, then Megram and Sirisha and Shivani Gupta. Thank you guys, thank you for. I know that few of you have answered later, but I have recorded the session after that if you have answered, so that was not I was unable to collect that particular comments of yours. So let's see the question for tomorrow. We'll check the answer on Monday morning when we'll continue resume our TNA live. So trade receivable e-discounting system platform see a major growth in 2025. What is the minimum capital requirement kept by the government of India to onboard on a trade receivable platform as a financer? Which Bangalore based company became the first company to get the payment aggregator cross-border license? Today we have one news regarding payment aggregator. Important point, payment aggregator cross-border. So what was the name of the first company in India to get the license in the category of cross-border payment aggregator? Third, what was the by what percent depositor education awareness fund, that is called DAF fund, increases between 2022-23 to 23-24 in the last one financial year? What was the growth of DAF fund? चलिए न्यूज पर आते हैं. न्यूज नंबर 1 is regarding payment aggregator cross-border entity. So payment aggregator cross-border provides a platform with the support of which you can transfer money from India to outside, you can receive money from outside India to India. So it is one of the platform which is very, very helpful for all the importers and exporters. So Indian company is also able to accept. If Indian company want to sell the product to foreigners want to make the payment, companies located in India, products sold from India. So with the support of cross-border payment aggregator, payment can be received from the foreign nation. Similarly, if Indians want to buy something from the e-commerce website which is located in China or in some other country, then their payment aggregator cross-border can provide facility for buying the product with the support, or by sitting in India you can buy the product from the foreign nation. So this is what the facility payment aggregator cross-border provide. This Skydo became the 5th company in India. ये आपकी 5th नंबर की कंपनी बनी है, याद रखना. It became 5th company in India in the cross-border payment aggregator category. 5वें नंबर का कंपनी बना है. Till now, this particular category have completed 1 year. In the last 1 year, only 4 companies were there. This is the 5th company in this particular category. So Skydo Technology, a cross-border payment company, have received in principle authorization from the Reserve Bank of India to operate as a payment aggregator cross-border entity. So authorization will provide the cross-border payment compliance, seamless, cost-effective transfer of fund for the Indian exporters, that they will be able to do the export and receive the fund with the support of another new company. Then Sridhar is the co-founder and the CEO of Skydo. He said that payment aggregator, this particular category, will grow by 10 times in the 18 to 24 months within very soon. Reserve Bank of India introduced the guideline 1 year back. This payment aggregator guideline for the cross-border RBI issues 1 year back. Only 4 companies have received the license for payment aggregator cross-border. One is Cash Free, second is Amazon Pay, third BillDesk, and fourth one was Aditya. Fifth one is Skydo. This became the 5th company. That is why I said you should remember it properly. It became the 5th company in India now. Okay. What payment aggregator do? I have explained you in short. Theory will be available here that you can download from the PDF. But there are few very important questions. Now, payment aggregator in India we have in 3 categories. Payment aggregator online, then payment aggregator offline, that is also called payment aggregator proximity, and payment aggregator cross-border. So these are the 3 categories for the payment aggregators in India. By default, it is called payment aggregator. So if we call only payment aggregator, it means we are talking about payment aggregator O, online. So what is the minimum capital requirement for payment aggregator O, then payment aggregator P, and payment aggregator CB? So for the payment aggregator O, minimum capital requirement is by default 25 crore rupee now. For the payment aggregator P, minimum capital requirement at the time of starting business is 15 crore, but it should be 25 crore. It should be 25 crore by March 2028. Kab tak? By March 2028. While in the payment aggregator CB category, 15 crore at the time of registration and 25 crore by March 2026. So these deadlines are very important for the examination. Okay? March 2026. चलिए आंसर देख ले. So 25 crore is the minimum capital requirement for the payment aggregator online. Payment aggregator offline, which is also called PAP. For the PAP service, minimum capital requirement is 15 crore. It should be 25 crore by by 31st March 2028. मैंने उल्टा तो नहीं लिख दिया, सही लिखा है ना, PAP 28 है, करेक्ट है. सो बाय 31st March 2028, करेक्ट है. And for the PACB cross border, that is 31st March 2026. So these are the deadlines, important one. ठीक है, this was the regulatory news. Coming to the next news, second news, banking and financial news category. Tata AIG launches Cyber Edge, a comprehensive cyber insurance solution for the Indian businesses. So Indian businesses can take the cyber insurance. So if they face any type of cyber attack, and because of that they have any type of financial losses because of the cyber attack, data loss, legal fees, everything will be, investigation, all such charges will be paid by Tata AIG under this Cyber Edge comprehensive insurance policy. So it is a insurance policy which is launched by the company to protect the business from the cyber attack. Means you cannot protect it, you can recover the losses with the support of it, right? So for the protection you need to rely on tag. For recovery of the losses, then you can take the insurance policy. So with a strong commitment enhancing the cyber security resilience, Cyber Edge aim to capture 25% of the cyber insurance market in the coming 5 years. They are saying that we will take almost 25% of the cyber insurance market in India in the next 5 years. This is the target. For us, important question in the examination will be Cyber Edge insurance policy launched by which of the following company? 99% this is going to be the question. Correct answer is Tata AIG have launched it. ठीक है, ये point clear है. नेक्स्ट है आपके पास, तो टाटा एआईजी जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी 2001 इट वाज फॉर्म्ड. नीलेश गर्ग सर इज द करंट मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड सीईओ ऑफ द कंपनी. हेडक्वार्टर लोकेटेड इन मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र. इट इज अ कंपनी व्हिच इज ओन्ड बाय टाटा ग्रुप. 51% शेयर ओन्ड बाय टाटा ग्रुप. वन मोर Tata Group company that is called Tata AIA Life Insurance. This company have launched Shubh Muhurt, a new insurance policy which will be covering the wedding expenditure of your kids. आपके बच्चों के wedding expenditure जो है उसको cover कर सकते हैं. So report said that more than 80 lakh weddings in the last year estimated around 10.7 lakh crore rupee. 10.7 lakh crore. On an average 12.5 lakh rupee is the expenditure in one marriage. एक शादी का expenditure है approximately 12.5 lakh rupee in India. In the Indian wedding, this is the average expenditure. So as per this report, Venki Iyer, who is the managing director and CEO of Tata AIA, have confidently launched the product which is called Shubh Muhurt. So this is what the name of the product. This product will be providing the parents age between 31 to 50. So anyone who is a parent and in between age 31 to 50, having children between the age group of 1 to 20, in this age group, they can take this investing cum insurance solution which will be providing capital guarantee with the equity exposure. So the money which you will be investing, that will be invested into such type of equities which will give you good returns in the future. So all these investment which you will be making with the support of this policy will give you returns in the form of a big amount at the time of marriage of your kids. If you are planning to buy, first you should get job, then you should get married, then you should have kids, and after that you can take this policy. I hope it is clear, right? So Shubh Muhurt is the name of the policy that is launched by Tata AIA Life Insurance. ये policy launch किया है. Then IDFC First Bank new है. IDFC First Bank launched a new pattern of credit card that is called First on Rupee Credit Card Facility. First on Rupee Credit Card Facility. So it is a credit card which is linked with FD. So first of all, you need to create FD, innovative fixed deposit product backed virtual credit card designed to initiate a new revolution in the field of credit access, offering the reward benefit for the user. First on card enable customers seamless access of the credit via UPI feature and stand out the financial service. So it's a virtual card. And the part is why it is called first earn card. इसको earn card क्यों बोल रहा है? How it is able to earn money? First of all, it will be able to earn with the support of the this one, your cashback and all. जो आपके benefits होते हैं, credit card पर benefits होते हैं जो. So reward points, that will be a benefit. Second, the FD which is linked. So first of all, you need to create FD with the bank. against the FD you are going to get this virtual card. So that FD is going to earn rate of interest. उस FD पर आपको क्या मिल रहा है? Rate of interest मिल रहा है. Backed by the FD, card ensure universal eligibility, eliminating the barrier of the people, those who are unable to get the credit. So if someone have bad credit score, they are not able to get credit card. But because it is backed by a FD, even if your credit score is down, you need to create FD. FD बना दो आप 5 lakh का. Against that FD you will be able to get the credit card. On FD you are able to earn interest. So it is for the people. They can even improve their credit score by creating FD, and after getting credit card, use the credit card properly, pay the bill on time, your credit score will also get improved with the time. So these are the advantages of this card. It is called First Earn card, which is launched on the RuPay network, launched by IDFC First Bank. ठीक है. Cumulative rate of interest of 7.25% will be linked with the fixed deposit. तो FD के साथ में जो rate of interest है वो around 7.5 है. IDFC First Bank, headquarter located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. V. Vidyanathan sir is the MD and CEO. Bank collaborated with the First Bank and formed with the name IDFC First Bank in the year October 2015. Few days before, it was in news and already came in the examination. First Tap card facility, credit card called First Tap. Sorry, debit card called First Tap. So First Tap debit card facility launched by which bank? IDFC First Bank. It was came in the examination also. आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है आपके एग्जाम का. Then India's first metal debit card to avoid use of plastic. India's first metal debit card in collaboration with Visa was launched by IDFC First Bank. इन्हीं ने launch किया था. Then Ashwa credit card and Mayura credit card. These are also very famous credit cards in the industry. So Ashwa credit card and Mayura credit card, these are the credit card launched by which bank? So again answer is IDFC First Bank. So these are the pointers regarding IDFC. You can get it from the PDF. PDF will be available in this Telegram group called GA Genius by Aditya sir. Next news. Microsoft Satya Nadella top HSBC Huron Global Indian List 2024. So Microsoft chairman, it is a list. First of all, it is a list of Indians, those who are ruling the highest valued companies in the world. जो बहुत valuable companies हैं world के in term of market capitalization. These companies are led by Indians. तो उनका list issue किया है HSBC Huron Global ने. It is the list which is created specifically for the Indians which are leading the world level companies. So Microsoft chairman and CEO Mr. Satya Nadella claimed the top spot in this category, which is a list of 226 leader of Indian origin heading the world most valuable companies. Then Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai and YouTube CEO Neil Mohan secured second and third position. So top position Satya Nadella, second number Sundar Pichai, third number Neil Mohan. These are the top 3 person in this category. In categories में top 3 person है. The combined value of the companies led by these leaders is more than $10 trillion. After that, some more important points. Yeah. So in the list of women, leading with Reshma Keval Ramani of Vertex Pharmaceutical. So Reshma Keval Ramani ma'am is on the top in the list from the category of women. So 12 women are there in this category. So Reshma Keval Ramani ma'am is on the top. She is the CEO of Vertex Pharmaceutical, followed by Jayashri Ulal, Artistia Network CEO, and Leena Nair, the CEO of Global Brand Channel. So these are the top 3 women. So top 3 men, top 3 women. This 6 are enough है इतना, आप cover कर लो, ठीक है. Appointment पर आते हैं. Central government have recently appointed Amrit Mohan Prasad, Director General of SSB, with the additional charge of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. So Amrit Mohan Prasad, who is the Director General of SSB, got the additional charge of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. So Bureau of Civil Aviation Security का additional charge दिया गया है किसको? मिस्टर प्रसाद को. अमृत मोहन प्रसाद सर हैव टेकन द चार्ज. इनको चार्ज दिया गया अभी रिसेंटली, ठीक है. So this one, Bureau of Civil Aviation Security is a regulatory authority for the civil aviation security in India. It work under the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Civil Aviation Ministry के अंडर में काम करता है. अमृत मोहन सर got the additional charge of it. आते हैं नेशनल न्यूज पर. India have successfully tested fire indigenous means made in India micro missile drone system called Bhargav Sastra. Bhargav Sastra is the name of this particular micro missile drone system. This system is capable of replying or hitting to the micro drones which are used by our counter nations, the nations which are against India, and they are using small drones for the purpose of any type of surveillance or any type of getting some type of information, sensitive information from India. So these type of drones can be destroyed with the support of micro missile drone system. System name is Bhargav Sastra. So name is important. It was tested at Gopalpur Seaward Firing Range on 12th and 13th of January, and India has successfully developed it. It is developed by Economic Explosive Limited, which is a subsidiary of Solar Group. Bhargav Sastra is equipped with the advanced capability including detecting small incoming drones with the range over 6 km. 6 km के रेंज से आते हुए माइक्रो ड्रोन्स को it can capture and it can destroy. Capture कर सकता है, उसको destroy कर सकता है with the effectiveness. So this is what one news is. Then Mizoram pioneered property card distribution in the Northeast. Mizoram became the top state, first state in Northeast for distribution property card survey under village abadi and mapping with the improvised technology called Swamitwa scheme. Swamitwa full form is important. Survey of the village abadi, mapping of improvised technology in the village area. In short, it is called Swamitwa. So Swamitwa scheme, Mizoram. For the implementation of Swamitwa scheme in the Northeast, which state is on top? Correct answer is Mizoram. Mizoram is on top in this category. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also attended in distributing 65 lakh property card to the beneficiaries across 10 states and 2 union territories. And Mizoram is on top in this category in the Swamitwa scheme. Swamitwa scheme launched in the year 2020 aimed to provide the legal documentation of the property ownership in the rural area using the drone technology and GIS method, completely digital and online. So with the support of these properties or digital documentation, farmers or the owners can even use it in the form of collateral to borrow loan. That is what the advantage of Swamitwa. So Swamitwa scheme was launched on 24th of April 2020. 2020 में launch किया गया था under Right to Record initiative. Right to Record initiative. 18th edition of Jaipur Literature Festival began from 30th of January. तो जयपुर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल जो है 18th edition, it will be started from 30th of January to 3rd of February 2025. Sanjay K. Roy, Managing Director, Teamwork Art, highlighted the festival during the press conference. It will be called Jaipur Literature Festival. It will be conducted and it is going to be the 18th edition. It is important to remember the edition. So Jaipur Festival, Literature Festival 18th edition will be conducted in the year 2025. So ये last news था आपका. PDF will be available here. I'll be meeting you back now Monday morning. Monday morning में मिलूंगा वापस से live. Remember that for the preparation of your SBI PO, SBI clerk, Central Bank of India ZBO or UCO Bank LBO, or for all these examination, one-stop solution is your GA Hustle batch. Without any hesitation, you can join today. Start your preparation for the current affairs. September month onward, you can start your current affairs classes, which are already available topic wise with the PDF. So complete the video and after that go for the PDF revision. So do it effectively. If you are watching and completing your hustle batch, you need not require any other option for the preparation of GA. It is one-stop solution. Thank you for joining the session today. Please like the session, share with your friends. I'll be meeting you back in the next session soon. Till that time, keep watching IT guys. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.